Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today here we will discuss the grade 7 maths. The chapter name is data and the graph, and these are all the lessons. Interpret the stem and leaf plots, interpret the bar graphs, create the bar graphs, and interpret the histogram. Okay, so these are all the names of the lessons that today we will discuss. So let me just open these topics from the A Plus app. Uh, Data and graph. So the first lesson that we discussed is interpret the stem and leaf plot. Okay, let's open. Now let's do it. So for example, here is a question. A pet store owner had his staff count the number of fish in each tank. Okay, so the stem is given, which is 3, 4, and 6, and the leaf is given. For the 3, it's 4 times 7. Then it's for 4, it's 0 and 8. Then for 5, it's only 3. Then for 6, the leaf is 2, 2, 3, and 9. Now, they are saying that count the number of fish in each tank. Okay? And how many tanks have exactly 37 fish? So now we're gonna find it out how many tanks have exactly 37 fish. Okay? So let's do it. Look at here the first one in the first store, that is 3. And how many of it? 7 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times 7 here. So we can say that, like, we just draw here the data. Okay, let me just put a stem and leaf here. Okay, then stem and leaf plot. We are just going to draw that stem and leaf plot. All right, like for example, this is your stem that is donated with S. Let me just write it S, and that is leaf, which is, so that is stem and leaf. Now for 3, 4, 5, and 6. For example, for stem, it's 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. And here are the numbers 7, 7, 7. Here is 3, like here is 2, here is 5. Okay, and also the 7. And in the question, they are saying that, like, you just need to finding it out how many, basically, like, what's the question? How many? A pet store owner had staff count the number of fish in each tank, and how many tanks have exactly 37 fish. So we need to find it out how many exactly 37. Okay, like how many exactly 37. So look, this one is 3, then it's 37, then it's for second 37, for 1 7 here, for second 7 I'm going to put it here, then for third 7 I'm going to put it here. Okay, these are the 3 37, 37, and 37. All right, so this is the stem, that is 3, and for the leaf we are going to put it 7, 7, and 7. All right, so exactly how many of 3? Exactly 3 tanks which have exactly the, basically, 37 fishes. Now for here is 4 7, so you can say that 4. Okay, let's do this one. David's PE class participated in a push-up competitions, and David wrote down how many push-ups each person could do. So the push-up competitions and the number of push-ups are given. Stamp is given, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And leaf is given, which is 468 558 112338 13389. So what is the largest number of push-ups down? Push-ups done. So we need to how many the largest number here. First we just see the stamp. Okay, let's see the stamp, that is 34, 36, and 38. But here is 45, 45, 48. Then it's 51, 51, 52, and 53. Now here it's 68. Now for here that is 71, 73, 73, 78, 79. And now for 8 is 83 and 86. Okay, so what is basically the largest number? What is the largest number here? The last one, because stamp, we check the stamp. What is the largest stamp here? That is 8. What is the largest leaf for that stamp? That is 6. So we can say that this is 86. Okay, if I'm going to say that what is the largest stamp from that data, so what would be the answer? First we see the stem, that is 6, which is the largest one. And what is the leaf for that largest stem? That is 7. So this is 67. Okay. And if we are going to say that what is the smallest stem, what is the smallest basically the data of for that one, what is the smallest data here? So we just see what is the smallest stem, that is 3, and leaf is all 777, so it means that it's 37. So 37 is the smallest one. Okay, and your 67 is the largest one. All right, let's do this one. The owner of the plant nursery wrote down the number of roses on each bush. Stamp is given, which is from 1 to 9, and leaf is given, that is 2 8 for the 1. For the 2 it's not given. For the 3 it's like 4. For the 4 it's 036. 5 is again empty leaf. Then for the 6 it's only 2. Then for the 7 it's only 9. Then for the 8 it's 189. And then for the 9 it's 0. So how many bushes have exactly 18 roses? So we just check it out. 18, that 1 represent the stem and 8 represent the leaf. So where is the 1 stem from the start and where is the 8 leaf from the start? That is 18. So there is only 1 bush that have exactly the 18 rows. Okay, let's do some test questions for that. David's PE class participated in a push-up competitions, and David wrote down how many push-ups each person could do. So push-up competitions, that the number of push-ups are given here. What is the largest number of push-ups done? Largest number is, first we see the largest stem and then we see the largest leaf of that related stem. So what is the largest stem? That would be the 8. And what is the largest leaf? That is 6, which is 86. So let's do, is there any option for 86? Yes, it's here. Let's click with that. Okay, so that is the right answer. Let's solve this one. So in a paper on making decision in a groups, Mayor research the size of numbers of committees. Okay, stamps are given, that is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Leaf is given, that is 0 0 2 6 5 0 4 0 9 7 5 0. How many committees have fewer than 80 members? So fewer than 80 members, we are going to count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, because here is the 85, so it's 12. Okay, just count all these leaf here. Okay, this is also the right answer. Now you solve all the rest by yourself. Hope you understand this lesson. Like here we just interpret this stamp and leaf. Okay, let's do the next one. Now interpret the bar graphs. Let's do it this one. Okay, so what is here the bar graph? Let's start. These are the like bar graphs. We are going to write it this one. Okay. So at the summer carnivals, each members of the Elliot family played a round of bean bag toss. Okay. Persons are given. That is Uncle Drew, then Aunt Kim, then Uncle Rob. These are the three persons. And these are the number of tosses from 0 to 10. Okay. Let's check for Uncle Drew. This is for basically and also saying that how many more tosses did Uncle Rob have and Aunt Kim? Okay, like look at here. The basically beanbag toss is given. Okay, the blue one is shows the misses and the red one is shows for hits. Okay, so Uncle Drew is basically look at here for the blue one that is 3. Aunt Kim for the blue one is 6. And how do we draw it like that one? Look at here. It would be like that way. Okay, these you can say that for example here it start from 0, then it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, then it's 4, 5 and 6. And these are the persons, like here is Uncle Drew, then Aunt Kim. Just now for that, for 3 I'm going to put it like here. Okay, and for the other one, that is angle is given, sorry, that basically the red line is given which is from like greatest. Okay, like from the sixth one. Now, this is like this way. Okay, like here. This is for the Uncle Drew. Now for Aunt Kim, maybe it's like here for 5, and maybe the other one is like smaller. Okay, like look at here. All right. So and you just for differentiating, you are going to put the different colors. This one is different, this one, and these one are same, and these one are your red colors, this one and this one. Okay, now let's check for the Uncle Drew. First one is 3, then it's 10. For this one it's 6 and 6, both red as well as the blue one. So what we do for that, first of all, Uncle Rob. And what is for Uncle Rob? That is for 10 and 8. First of all, add for Uncle Rob, because add together the values for Uncle Rob. That is 10. First one, look at here, the blue one, that is 10, and for the red one it's 8. Okay, so 10 plus 8, which is 18. And now for the Aunt Kim, like look at here, it's 6 and 6, both of it. So 6 plus 6 is, now we're subtracting, because what we find, we're saying that how many more tosses did Uncle Rob have than Aunt Kim. So that's why we are going to subtract. So when we subtract 18 minus 12, the answer would be 6. So it means that Uncle Rob has 6 more tosses than the Aunt Kim. Okay, so how much is more tosses? That is 6 more tosses than the Aunt Kim. Alright, at the 2006 Winter Olympics, our commentator reported how many medals certain countries won. These are the number of countries, okay? And here are the number of medals which is given. Now, this basically, the green one shows for the Norway, and this pink one is shows for the Sweden, for each country, okay? Norway and Sweden's. So medals won at 2006, we are going to find how many medals did the Sweden win in the freestyle skilling. Okay? These are the skilling which is given. Which kind of skilling? Freestyle skilling, then the cross country skilling, then you can say that the upline skilling, okay, like this way. And these are the two countries, Norway and Sweden. So for the Norway, we just see that, like, how many medals did the Sweden win in the freestyle skilling? Look at here for the Norway, Sweden, that would be the pink color. And how many it's in the freestyle skilling? The third one. You just check the third one. This is first, second, and third. Look, the third one, pink color. So where the pink color lies, it lies only one. So we can say that our answer is one here. Okay. Now look at here, the third one. A healthcare analyst examined the worldwide healthcare spending over time. So this is basically the graph which is given. Countries are given, such as Sri Lanka, then basically Miami, then Nigeria, okay, all of it. And here basically the, you can say that the dollars are given, okay. And for which you can finding it out, 1991 represents the green color and blue one represent 1993, okay. So when we see, we check it out, per capita, how much more did the Nigeria spend on healthcare in 1991 than in 1993? First, we see the Nigeria 1991. So Nigeria in 1991 shows the green color. 1991 shows $25, and for 1993 it shows $20. Okay, so $15 for one and $20 for other. Now we're finding it out how much more. They're saying that how much more did Nigeria spend. So for more, you when you subtract 25 minus 20, so the answer should be $5. So it means that Nigeria spent $5 more on the healthcare in 1991 than in 1993. Okay, let's do some test questions for that. So look at here. Lindsay, a park rangers, recorded the number of each type of tree in a Harrison Country Park district. So this is the trees in City Park. Okay. Oak trees is given the green color and apple trees are the pink one. These are the names of the park. Okay. And these are the number of trees. How many more oak trees are in the Rose Park than the Lake Park? First of all, we check the Rose Park and Lake Park. And we are checking the oak trees. It means we are going to check the green color in both of it. So first, in the Lake Park, green color is 10. Look at here, the green color is on 10. And for the Rose Park, green color is on 40. So they're saying that how much Rose Park then the Lake Park. So it means that 40 minus 10. So the answer is 30. So 30 is more than basically oak trees in the Rose Park than in the Lake Park. Just subtraction and we got a, okay. So let's check this one. For a statistics project, Jeff observed the number of hits and misses recorded by some baseballs players during the batting practice. Baseball batting practice is given. These are the names of the players. Look at here. Players, and these are the number of pitches which are given for each of it. Now the green color shows the misses and the blue one is shows the hits. And we are going to find it out. Did the first baseman on the right fielders have fewer hits? Right fielders we are going to check. Okay, fewer hits. So did the first baseman, or you can say that first baseman or the right fielder, both of it, first baseman or the right fielder, fewer hits. Which have fewer hits? Fewer hits is basically the two. That is, for the first one is here the hits are 6 and then here the hits are only 2. So which one is the fewer, right fielders or the first baseman? Obviously the right fielder. Okay, you're checking the blue color because we are finding it out the hits. So when we check the blue color for the first baseman, answer is 6, and when we are checking the blue color for the right fielder, it is 2. So we can say that, and here you finding it out which one is fewer hits. Okay, so the fewer hits is right fielder. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. We basically discussed interpret the bar graphs. Okay, now let's move to the next lesson. So the next lesson is create the bar graphs. Okay, all right, so this is the data which is given. An designer wrote down the prices of various items at several wholesale furniture dealers. Use the data in the table to complete the bar graph below. This is furniture. Basically, these are the names of the company. These are the count, and these are the tables. Okay, price of these one. So how can we basically write? First on the x-axis, what is basically your x-axis and what is basically your y-axis? Look at here. This one is your x-axis and this one is your y-axis. All right. This full term is you can say that your x-axis and this one is your y-axis. And on the x-axis, you are going to draw the company names. Okay, you are going to draw the company names on the x-axis. I'm going to draw the names of the company, and here basically the number you can go to draw basically the prices, okay, for each one. And here are the prices. Okay, so look at here, for example, this is company A, then it's company B, then it's company C here, then it's company D. Just like these are the names of the different companies. And from it's 0, then it's 10, it's 20, it's 30, it's 40, then it's 50. For example, for the couch for company A, couch for company A, it's 10, and what's the next one? And table for company A is 30. Okay, so for A, couch is 10. Let's do it. Couch is 10. You're going to draw here. And for the table, it's 30. Now just match equal distance. Okay. All right, this black one. So we can say that this black one is your showing the number of table, that is 30 for the company A, and the blue one shows the number of couch, that is 10 for the company A. Okay, now let's do for the company B. For example, for the company B, your couch is 20 and your table is again 30. So for the couch, what's the color? It's blue color for company B. It's again the blue color, that is 20. So we are going to draw here for 20. Look at here, I'm going to draw it, it's 20. Okay, and now just going to draw for table, that is 30. Now let's going to draw tables for it's 30. Okay, so this one, like that way. Now for the company C, let's suppose we are going to draw for company C. For couch it's 50 and for table it's, you can say that, 40. Okay, now for the couch I'm going to draw for company C, it's 50. So from the 50 we are going to draw this one. Okay, like this way. And now same color you are going to choose for couch, blue, blue, blue in each of it. Now for the black color for the basically the tables, that is 40. So I'm going to draw for the 40. And where is 40? It's a bigger one, like here it's 40. Okay, so now we're going to draw for the 40. Okay, this is all showing, the blue one is basically shows for the couch, and here is the black one is basically shows for the table in each of it. In this way we are going to draw, the bar graph. Okay, hope you understand this one. All right, now let's do this question. This is 50 for couch, for basically the furniture. Discounters 50. Look at here, we are going to draw the basically the green one. Okay, the green one, that is 50. Now click to set the height of the missing bar graph. What is basically the height of table for the furniture decorators? Table, that is 60. Look at here, which is 60. So where the 60 lies? It would be lies at here, this one. Okay. Let's draw here. Okay. So which one is for table is missing, and how much the table, that is 60. So we are going to choose 60, and here is no related color. Let's just check it out, the black color for that. Okay. So we are going to write that is 60, and here is the black color for this. Okay. So in this way, this is basically like here you can say that table, that is 60. Okay, and here is the, look at here, we are finding it out for 60. Look at here, this one. Now let's check our answer. This is 60. Okay. All right, now let's do the missing part of this one. In the second question, they are saying that a food industry researchers compared the revenues of several pizzerias. Use basically the pizzas are given. Use the data on the tables to complete the bar graph below. Pizza sales are given. These are the restaurants. These are the vegetarian pizza, and these are the supreme pizzas. Okay. Big cheese, the New York slice, and the Dan's deep dish is given, and vegetarian pizza price is 50, 100, and 100. Let's check all is given. For the big cheese, it's for the big cheese vegetarian pizza. First, we are vegetarian pizza shows the yellow color, and supreme pizza shows the basically blue color. So let's check. Let's check for vegetarian pizza. For first one, it's 50. Yes, it's 50. Vegetarian pizza for the and now the supreme pizza for the first one, big cheese is 90. This is also right. Now for the second one, New York slice is 100 for vegetarian and 80 for supreme. 100 for vegetarian. So we are going to put this is New York slice 100 for vegetarian. It's full complete. Okay. In this way we are going to write all of it. Now let's do one test questions for that. Some of it. So at the summer carnivals, each members of the Corner family played a round of bean bag toss. Use the data in the tables to complete the bar graph below. Okay, let's do the bar graph. This is basically the Colin Susan person, the Uncle Drew, the Aunt Betty, the Colin Chris. Hit is given and miss is given. Okay. Click to set the height of the missing bar. Missing bar is Aunt Betty is missing, and for the green it shows the miss, that is already given, and for the purple, or you can say that the blue, that is hit is missing. So what is hit for Aunt Betty? Hit for Aunt Patty is 100. So it means that bar graph is full for 100. Let's check which bar graph is full for 100. This bar graph is for 90. Is sorry, Aunt bar is 60. No, this is not the answer. Let's check the second one. This is Aunt Patty's 100. Yes, this is our. Okay. Now, A hardware store monitored how many hammers it sold in the past 5 days. Use the data in the tables to complete the bar graph below. This is basically the hammers sold days given, Sunday to Thursday, and number is hammers are given. Hammers sold, how we are going to find it out, the day and the number of hammers. Okay, now let's do for Sunday it's 100. Yes, it's 100. That's right. For Monday it's 20. Check. For Monday, is it 20? Yes, for Monday it's 20. For Tuesday it's 50. Yes, it's 50. For Wednesday it's 30. Yes, it's 30. For Thursday it's 40. So we're going to draw the bar graph for 40. Let's check which one is for 40. This one is for 40. And if we're going to check this one is for 80. No, this is not. So we can say that this one is for 40. So that is our answer. Okay. Alright, hope you guys understand like how to create the bar graphs. Now let's do the last lesson for that chapter, which one is interpret the histogram. Okay, let's open. Okay, so here is the question which is given. An architecture students measure the height of all the buildings done. Okay, this is the building height. Heights are given from 0 to 4 it's 2, from 5 to 9 it's 2 again, and all of it you can say that which range has the most building. Most building, which one? 0 to 4 it's only 2 number of buildings, 5 to 9 it's again 2, 10 to 14 it's how many building? That is 55. 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 30 to 34, 40 to 40, no, 50, 45 to 49. These are all same. This is 2 buildings for each. Which one is the greatest here? Because we are finding it out the most building. So most building range is 25 to 29, which is our 6 buildings. Okay. Now let's check. During the fitness day at school, Jackson and his classmate look part in a pull-up competitions, keeping track of the results. Number of pull-ups are given, and number of, you can say that during the fitness day at school, Jackson and his classmate took part in pull-ups competition, keeping track of the results. Okay, number of pull-ups are given and number of peoples are given. Okay, we're going to find how many people did between 61 and 70 pull-ups. Where is 61 and 70? Check. This is 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70. It's here. And how many people? This is like the people is 5. So how many peoples? There are 5. Okay, let's check the result. Yes, this is right. That is 5. Now we're just going to check it out, like how many of it and how many of it's not. Professor Mori informed her students of their scores on the midterm exam. Midterm scores are given and number of students are given. Okay, so let's do which range has the most student. Check it out, which one has the greatest bar? 80 to 89. So we can say that in 80 to 89 that would be the 10. Okay, now let's do some test questions for that. Okay, so while hanging the Christmas lights for neighbors, Buren counted the number of broken lights on each string. Broken lights per string is given, that is number of broken lights on the x-axis and number of strings on the y-axis. Which range of broken lights per string occurred most frequently? Like it means most frequently. Which one is the greatest?
It's which one? Like it's that one. You also guys tell me 6 to 10, that is 4, and 41 to 45, that is 6. What's the answer? 6 to 10 or 41 to 45?
Two options are given here. First one is answer how many number of string, that is 5. And for the second one, sorry, it's 4. For the second one, number of strings are 6. So which one is the greatest and which one is the frequently? That is 41 to
45. Okay, let's do this one. Pablo found out the sizes of the clubs at his school. Club sizes are given. Number of members, which is number of members are 0 to 4, 5 to 9. These are all the number of members. And number of, you can say that the clubs on the y-axis, okay? So how many, clubs are there in all? Clubs are there in all. In all, how many number of clubs? In all, number of clubs are counted. It's 11 or it's 26. Count it, all of it. First one is 0 to 4, it's 6. Then it's 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9. Then it's again 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Plus 3, that is 15. Plus 3, that is 18. And 18 plus 8. Count all of it, okay? 6, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. My answer is it's 26 or 25. I'm going to count it again. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's 26. There is no, yeah, it's 26. Just count all of it, okay? For the first 0 to 4, it's 6. 5 to 9, it's 1. 10 to 12, 14, it's 1. 15 to 19, it's 1. So count 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8. Okay? A pottery factory kept track of the number of broken plates per shipments last week. So the broken plates per shipment, number of broken plates are given 1 to 5, 6 to 12. These are all. How many shipments had between 16 to 20 broken plates? Let's check for only 16 to 20. How many number of broken plates? How many shipments? For 16 to 20, how many shipments? That are 6. Okay. For 16 to 20, that is 6. So here is the option 6. We can just click it here. Okay, Kingwood Flooring tracked the number of broken tires each shipment it received last year. Number of broken tires are given. So which range of the broken tires per shipment occur least frequently? Like which one is the smallest one? This first one is 4, first, then second one is 4, third one is 5, fourth one, check it out, it's less, it's 3. So we can say that what is the fourth one? That is 16 to 20. That is range. So 16 to 20 is the range. We can see that this is our answer. Okay, now the employee at the department store counted the number of tie on each tie rack. These are basically the tie per rack. Number of ties are given. These are the ranges 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, and number of racks are given. These are all number of racks 0 to 9. Okay, now let's check. Are there fewer racks that have 0 to 9 ties or racks that have 10 to 19? First check 0 to 9 rack. These are the two number of racks. And when we check 10 to 19, these are four number of racks. Which one is fewer? 0 to 9 or 10 to 19? 0 to 9, which is fewer racks. Okay, so we can click our answer 0 to 9 because that is only 2 and the other one is 4. Okay, while doing a project of for PE class, Oscar researched the number of athletes competing in an international sporting event. Number of athletes are given. These are like different range and number of countries are given. So how many countries participated in the competitions? How many countries participated in the competitions? So when we're finding it out how many countries, just add all their range. 5 plus, add it, 5 plus 3 which is 8, then 6 plus 6 12, 8 plus 12 is 20, 20 plus 3 that is 23, 23 plus 5 is 28, 28 plus 1 which is 29, 29 plus 2 is 30. Let's check is there answer for 31. Yes, there is answer which is 31. Okay, all right, now let's do this last questions. For math assignments, Kathleen researched the scores for the pupils competing on her favorite quiz show. Quiz show scores are given scores on the x-axis and number of people on the y-axis. Then how many people scored between 20 and 29 points? Let's check 20 and 29 points. 20 and 29 points, number of people are 9. Okay, so 20 to 29 is number of people is 9. All right, hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So today we will discuss basically the chapter Data and Graph, Grade 7 Maths. These are the lessons. Interpret stamp and leaf plots, interpret the bar graphs, create bar graphs, and interpret the histograms. So you guys make sure before starting the next session, you guys understand all these. And if you still need any help in any of the lesson, any of the chapter, you can contact on our tutors that are available on the Skypes Monday to Friday, 5 to 9 p.m. All right, now have a good day, you all. Bye.